Pharmacy in Clinical Embryology, worked as an embryologist. To upgrade my technical skills, I joined training program in CFC. I assure you 100% guarantee for the training program. They are giving hands-on. They are giving plenty of sperms. There are many dishes they provide me, as well as many oocytes. All the things are very perfect. They will be giving enough time for us to expose. The exposure time is so long, so you can upgrade your skills very well. And whatever help you need, you can ask them. They are providing immediately. Whatever you need, you can upgrade all the skills. As well as if you have any doubt in theory sessions, sir is explaining very well. I would like to thank Thomas sir for providing this training program. As well as I would like to thank Krishna sir for his amazing way of teaching, the best mentor. And then I strongly recommend this training program to my colleagues. I can develop myself a lot. I got complete confidence to do ICSI. Now before coming here, I was been like, I'm not that much confident enough to do ICSI. But now I'm very much confident of doing. That much sufficient practice they are providing. So this is the best platform to upgrade your skills. Hands-on is daily they are giving hands-on, complete hands-on. So this is the best platform. Utilize it. Thank you.